Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic lined up for you. We'll be discussing how to trade stocks like a pro using one of the most popular trading platforms out there, the Robinhood app. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, this tutorial will equip you with the knowledge and tools to navigate the stock market confidently. So, without further ado, let's dive right in.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still.
Before we jump into trading strategies, let's get familiar with the Robinhood app. If you haven't already, go ahead and download it from the App Store and create your account. Once you're in, you'll notice the user friendly interface, making it easy to get started. Here's how to set up your account: enter your basic information, link your bank account to deposit funds, and complete the identity verification process. Once that's done, you're ready to start trading. Now that we have our account set up, let's understand the basics of stock trading. Remember, knowledge is key in the world of investing. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and their value fluctuates based on various factors. Buying a stock means you're becoming a partial owner of that company, while selling it means you're giving up your ownership stake. Open the app and navigate to the search feature. Here you can find any company stock by typing its name or ticker symbol. Once you've found a company you're interested in, click on its name to see its stock details. Two primary approaches to analyze stocks are fundamental and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating a company's financial health, earnings, management, and competitive advantages. It helps you understand whether a stock is undervalued or overvalued. You can find valuable information like a company's financial statements, earning reports, and other key metrics right here on the app. On the other hand, technical analysis focus on historical price movements and volume patterns to predict future price movements. To access technical analysis tools, simply search for the stock you're interested in and then click on the chart tab. Here, you'll find a variety of indicators and charting options. Or if you're doing it from your phone, just click on the stock and the chart should automatically be up. A crucial aspect of successful trading is diversification. This means spreading your investments across various stocks and sectors to reduce risk. Avoid putting all of your money into a single stock, as that can be risky. Instead, consider investing in different industries like technology, healthcare, finance, etc. On Robinhood, you can easily diversify your portfolio by researching different stocks and adding them to your watch list or buying them directly. Setting clear goals is essential for any investor. Determine your investment horizon and the amount of risk you're willing to take. Are you looking for long term growth, or are you more interested in short term gains? Remember, the stock market can be volatile, and there's no guarantee of profits. It's crucial to set stop loss orders to limit potential losses and secure gains. Market orders and limit orders are the two most common types of orders in stock trading. A market order buys or sells a stock at the best available price in the market, which may not be the exact price you see at the moment. On the other hand, a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you're willing to buy or sell a stock. To place an order, simply search for the stock you want to trade, click on Trade, choose the order type, and enter the number of shares you wish to buy or sell. Successful traders never stop learning. Stay informed about market trends, economic indicators, and world events that can influence stock prices. Robinhood's news section is a great place to read the latest market news and company updates. Congratulations! You completed the Robinhood app tutorial and learned how to trade stocks like a pro. Remember, investing takes time and patience. It's essential to stick to your strategy and avoid making impulse decisions. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your fellow investors. Happy trading, and see you in the next one.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.